If you want to customize a folder in the home screen on a Realme 14T, then unfortunately there are not so many options that we have available on this phone. However, for example, if you want to change the name of the folder, then you can go inside the folder, tap on the current name, and then write anything that you wish to have as the name for the folder. After pressing the check on the keyboard, the name will be applied. In addition to that, we can also press and hold our finger on the folder in order to find the rename option. Also, we can enlarge the folder. We can just tap on this option in order to make the folder bigger or smaller. You can also press and hold your finger on the folder itself once again, but this time we can just grab by the bottom right corner. So if we move it like this, then we can make it bigger or smaller. And the same thing happens or is possible if you press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen, because over here we can also make the folder bigger or smaller. And that's all we can do with folders on Realme 14T. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.